So when was the last time that you dedicated everything you have to something? And I'm not talking about, just that hobby you picked up or that task at work you've been working on here and there. I mean dedicating hours, days, weeks, and even months to just, that one goal. And that topic is the reason why I'm here in Monument Valley in Arizona. And I'm here for the Monument Valley Marathon. Not for me, obviously I'm not running it, but for my girlfriend Courtney's first marathon. Now, I've never run a marathon, but I've been on this ride since it began 18 weeks ago. And yes, that's how long it takes to train for a marathon. 4.5 months, and each week consists of running on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then a long run on Saturday. Hours and hours and miles go into this every single week with one goal in mind: to complete that marathon and all 26 miles of it. It has been an incredible journey to watch, and especially to learn from. To think, if I asked her 18 weeks ago if she thought she could ever run at 26 miles, especially after her first long run, she probably would have slapped me. I asked you 18 weeks ago if you thought you could do a 26-mile race.
In the desert.
In the desert.
No.
Like zero chance?
I could probably walk it, but not actually run it.
And then place first in your age group? And slowly but surely, she put in the work. And this is over a long time. This doesn't happen overnight. So you can't just expect to achieve your goals overnight. And we can all learn from this. Too often we see something we want to do or somebody we want to be like, and we want it overnight. We're impatient. We want things right now. But that's just not how it works. And a wise man once said, anything worth doing is worth overdoing. And in the end, that all just takes time. No one successful has ever gotten where they are right now overnight. And whether that's a runner, a filmmaker, a writer, an athlete, or just someone who you admire, they've all dedicated hours, days, months, and most of their lives to getting where they are today. At first, it may seem too daunting to even start. That uphill climb to reach your goal, but that's okay. Every journey starts with the first step. So get your own version of your training plan. Put in the time, put in the work. Start with just doing it one day a week. Then move forward and do it almost every day. The more and more time you put toward your goal, the sooner you'll reach it. And you may not notice the progress while you're in the thick of it, but trust me, trust yourself, and trust the training plan that you set out. It'll get you across the finish line. Done what?
Marathon. 26 miles. My 26th year of life.
Love you.
Feels good.